So this is our last big one. So trying to get it open. I believe this is the one that I want to open, because yes it is. It has my Arduinos. Okay, so I had to actually, this look like that's some mighty fine solder. Okay, if you could see that little, that's some mighty fine solder. I have not had solder that thin. Have I? Okay, let's compare the solder. It might be good. I don't know. So this is the size of the solder that I just got. Okay, see that? That's the size of the solder that I just got. Okay. Alright, if you could see that. Okay. This is just the size of the solder that I use or have been using. Can you see that? The difference in the sizes? I mean, you might not be able to see it that well on screen, but this is way thicker than that. So, who knows? The finest quality solder. Okay, well, who knows? We'll see. That's gonna be interesting. This is 6040 Rosin core from Radio Shack. This is I don't know, I might have made a mistake by ordering this, but let's see. I just saw solder. I just decided, I was like, well, let me get some solder. So let's see. It might actually be what I need. I saw solder and I decided to get it. It says 03mm Rosin core solder 6337 6040. $63, 37, 10 lead. Who knows? We'll try it. Couldn't hurt. 2 rolls was $10.64. So, couldn't hurt. And it can't be that much of it. Got 2 rolls of it. So, if it's really good, I'll be getting it from now on. If it's not, well, not too much to worry about. I am Ebonygeek, and I hope that the information provided has been helpful to you. Please remember to subscribe. Happy building and happy coding. I am Ebonygeek, and I hope that the information provided has been helpful to you. Please remember to subscribe. Happy building and happy coding.